Every developer you admire today was once a beginner. The only difference is they decided to start.
If you've been curious about building a website or starting your journey in tech, then this opportunity is for you. Django Girls Abraka is an annual workshop created specifically for leaders who want to build their first website using Python and Django. With experienced mentors guiding you every step of the way, you will enjoy a practical, hands-on, and interactive learning experience.
Bug.
Bug, yes. Call them bug. Find the bug, correct it. If the bug has strong head, either you life into it, or you cast and bind it out. Must work.
My name is Okafor Christabel. Alright, so Christabel, I am well aware of the fact that you are a developer here at Amplus Technologies. Would you like to share your journey with us?
Okay, my journey, it all started when I attended Django Girls in 2024. So I attended, we're taught on how to code using Python and Django as the framework. So from there I developed interest in programming and I started from there. I registered in Amplus Hub. So now I can currently code in CSS, JavaScript, PHP, and even Python.
No, that's impressive. That's very, very impressive. So as a current developer right now, what advice do you have to other ladies that do not have an idea about tech?
Okay, my advice to them would be to attend Django Girls.
Django Girls 2025, dream go.
Your tech journey can start today. The workshop is completely free, but registration is required. Click the registration link in the comments and secure your spot. I'll see you there.